Hey guys, what's up? I'm Joshua Self and welcome to my studio. Welcome to Behind the Experience, where I'm going to teach you how to train correctly, the safest, most effective exercises you can possibly do. This is going to be the principles of biomechanics. I'm going to break down the guidelines of how to work out correctly so you know exactly what you're doing in the gym. Hey guys, in this section I'm going to talk about sets and reps. I'm going to teach you why so many sets and why so many reps and why one is a sarcoplasmic growth and the other one's a myofibril hypertrophy. So you know how to build that muscle to the biggest and the strongest it can possibly be. In day one, we're going to do chest and back. We're going to do about 2 exercises for your chest and 2 for your back. All right, in day 2, we're going to hit all 3 heads of our shoulders. We're going to hit our upper traps and our infraspinatus, which is the muscle on the back side of your scapula, allowing your humerus to move outward. The Spin Gym. Good things come in little packages. I'm going to show you all my favorite exercises. In order to make those muscles grow, I'm going to teach you what to eat and what supplements to take. Thank you for watching my Behind the Experience. I'm Joshua Self. I hope you enjoy my VRLU experience.